Monday the 13th. It's 2:23 p.m. I'm at work. Just had lunch. I actually met a friend in the wharf and he brought me Greggs, so that was really nice. So I had a Greggs chicken bake and a sausage roll, and then we went to Waitrose for another friend because another friend wanted to get something else. So I ended up picking up this pineapple because I was like, I wanted something sweet and nice. So I picked up pineapple. I was like, I really want pineapple. But the pineapple cost me like £1.35. So I'm like, it better be sweet. But I'm excited to eat it now. So that's what I'm gonna do. I put my new lip pencil. I think it's supposed to be like, I don't know, like waterproof and all that. It's my Waitrose receipt. £1.35 for this tiny little pot of pineapple. It's only 150 grams. It looks sweet. I'm hoping it's sweet. It should be sweet. But yeah, I am excited to watch Game of Thrones tonight, hopefully. Hello, I just got back to the flat. It's 6:40. Why did I think it was 7 something? I don't know, but I am boiling. The flat is boiling. I don't know why it's so hot. What's this red? Oh, that's a bite. I've been bitten. Damn it. Why is there a bite on my face? Oh my god, that's so annoying. How have I just been bitten? This is freaking England. Oh my god, so I have the worst time with bites anywhere I go. Even in America, where you think there's like no mosquitoes, I was bitten like crazy. I had terrible reactions to it. And I was given the like topical antibiotics, which is like the Neosporin that they have there. But I chose a non-branded version because it's like $2 cheaper. It worked, however, my skin decided to flare up a whole bunch, like swelling up and going crazy, so I had to take antihistamines for it as well. But yeah, I might open the balcony today. Oh, I can show you the balcony. Should I do that? So, yeah. The balcony. I mean, the keys are left in the balcony because I did unlock it, but it's stiff. You can't really get in from the balcony if you were to find a way, unless you jumped down from the house above, or climbed up from the house below. But I find it really scary going to the edges, because if you look up there, that's what I'm standing on right now looks like from underneath, and that really scares me. So I don't like going to the edge, but I'm just going to extend my arms out so you can see. Ooh, view from the 12th floor. And they're building more flats over there, so yes, it will be different, but you get to see a nice horizon. It's beautiful every day, apart from when it's horrible and grey. So the balcony door's open. Get some fresh air running through this house. Look, my bed sheet. Nowhere to dry it. I mean, we have a dryer. I put the drying on, but because like the washing machine is only a certain size drum, and dryers need to have more air and space. So if you're using the same load in the same laundry machine, like if you're drying the same load that you're washing, it doesn't fully dry because there's not enough space. And yeah. Anyway, I've got to do another load of laundry today. I'm going to put some stuff on this bike first, but I've got to do another load of laundry today because yesterday all that fit was like my sheets and towels and my dressing gown. I think that was it. So I've got to do like socks and underwear and all that stuff because I'm running out of socks. Need to do some socks. So I went to Tesco just now and bought some lamb and had onions. So I made rice, lamb and onions. It doesn't look that great, but it smells delicious, so I'm pretty excited. So it's now 10:40 p.m. and I forgot to tell you last night that I also planned, kind of. I mean, there's loads of empty spots and I haven't filled this one in, which is why I've got the post-it there and stuff like that. But this was the birthday bun kit, because it's got the bunny with a little birthday thing. But I didn't have a kit to use this week, so I don't have one for next week, which is my birthday week this week. So I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I might just make one. I loved this week. I love the foil kits. So sparkly and shimmery. And this is the cream that I was using that I said was like Neosporin. Triple antibiotic ointment. And it's worked. I put some on my bite and it seemed to have gone down a bit, so that's good. Alright, yeah, I just wanted to show you my planner. I can't believe it's almost time to finish the planner and I don't have any stickers to fill it up with. And a root beer float. Hello, it's about 6 minutes to 7 p.m. on Tuesday the 14th of May. I think I've already spoken to you today. I went to Shake Shack earlier. It was awesome. That root beer float took me back to America and I would like to go there again. Bring me root beer all the time. Yeah, I just got home. It is like a freaking greenhouse in here. I'm loving the weather, but why do I have to live in a greenhouse? The thing is, I'm going to open my window. It's going to be nice and cool, and then at night time I'm going to be cold. So, whatever, but I'm going to open my window anyway because, you know, whatever. At least the sun's not here in the afternoon. But I hope I don't bust my lamp. Let's just go. Just get some air in here. Oh my god, you guys, I just cooked my lamb. It looks better than yesterday. I'll show you properly. But, oh, that's the sun. The smoke alarms went off because there was smoke in and I may have put too much oil, I don't know, but then I had to like run and open the door and it was crazy. But yeah, I'm excited to eat my dinner, but I need to shut this because I cooked a lot more onion today. This is rosemary. I thought I'd just lie on top for now, but obviously I'm not going to eat the rosemary because it's gross, but it's just there for flavour and it's nice. And the rice isn't warm because it's from yesterday. Brilliant cooking, Ling.